Welcome back to the workshop. Today I'm going to be making a star out of 15mm copper pipe. I'm also going to be using 40 elbows and 20 T's. The first step is to cut 20 75mm pieces and 30 at 90mm. I also need 20 2cm long pieces to use to join the elbow to a T. I anneal a piece of pipe and then flatten it with a mallet. Then wrap it around a piece of tubing that happens to be the right size. A quick cut with a hacksaw and solder the two sides together to complete the ring. Do some final sizing up on the belt sander and disc sander. I use a bit of damp rag on the soldered joint just to make sure it doesn't melt while I solder arms onto the copper ring. Lots and lots of soldering. 122 joints in total on this project. Rubbing everything down with a piece of wire wool brings it back to a nice shiny finish. Everything is then connected together and lined up with a star template drawn onto the MDF. And then finally the lamp holder is put in and lined up to make sure it points into the middle of the star. A quick coat of lacquer to try and keep the star shiny and untarnished. I screw the lamp holder into place and then add an earth wire just for safety. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos from Kingston Lane Workshop.